I also wanted to touch on the payments and the submittal itself. So when it comes to payments, certainly on the guide side, the applicant is going to have a thorough breakdown of exactly what their payment will be. And again, this can be informational only initially. When they're ready to apply for a permit, it can be part of the submittal. Meaning it has to be paid before it's submitted. We have other cities that generate an invoice that's paid afterwards. However, it works best for you. And as you can see, they can also pay online with their document, with their application. We have this processing fee that goes to Stripe. We utilize Stripe. It's already integrated together. And Stripe this is about a 3% processing fee. So the city or county would get the $760. Stripe would get the $23. And we do not collect credit card information. It's just used to get your money. On the back end, though, let's say as an example now, someone has submitted their application. You have, in this example, access to what type of application it is, the name of the person, as well as any other submissions at this location, right? So if there were other, maybe multiple permits, you'll be able to see that. You're also able to see that activity that we touched on earlier. But now being able to go through all the data fields that are being collected and all the various steps where that you requested information or shared information with them, you can go into this various information and look at that. That might be helpful for a conversation maybe. But when it comes to fees, let's say someone came into the office and said, I want to pay with a check. You can click in, you can see the total here and simply come up here, mark it as paid. And in this example, now there's no fee because they've came in, they're not using Stripe. And you can say paid with check 123, right? And in submitting this, the applicant will automatically get an electronic receipt for this payment that it was paid. You can see also you have the ability to issue a refund, right? So seeing that now the fees are paid, everyone can see that that's completed. And all this information has been collected, including the documents. You also have the ability to see now an active map of the location in question. And here you would see the GIS information for the location as well. I have the city of Santa Clarita has their GIS information loaded, so we can see this zoning information that might be helpful for the city if there's a question that comes up about the property itself, right? Helpful information. Within this now, when we talk about payments, you also have a record of all the payments that have been made, and very easily the finance department can filter down this information. Maybe you want to see over a week's time or over a day. You can filter out and filter down the various columns you want to see and export this into a CSV file to very easily import into your existing system.